Top 10 most expensive lighters in the world. Number 10. Dunhill Gold Apex. $13,000. Number 9. 1933 Zippo. $18,000. Number 8. Cartier Watch Lighter. $18,988. Number 7. Faberge Jeweled and White Enameled Lighter. $30,000. Number 6. Cartier Black Enamel and Diamond Lighter. $34,375. Number 5. Zippo Windproof Lighter. $37,000. Number 4. Faberge Yellow Enamel. $65,650. Number 3. St. DuPont Lean-To Lighter. $79,000. Number 2. Faberge Imperial Table Lighter. $136,000. Number 1. Jadeite Ashtray and Lighter. $250,000.